Hi and welcome. I'm your host Morten Copenhagen. In this video I'll be showing you how to blur faces and license plates before posting your pictures on Google Maps. Today we have 6 faces and 2 license plates to blur. I'll be using the standard gallery app on my Huawei phone since both Google Photos and Snapseed lack the amazing Mosaic tool that I'll be using. You can find other free apps with the Mosaic tool by searching for blurring out faces. Let's get started with the first picture. This is the owner of the shop. He wanted to be in the picture. So now let me show you how to make him anonymous. I click at the bottom on Edit, scroll left a little bit or right a little bit and select the Mosaic tool. Now I zoom in to his face like this. Hi there. And I start painting over his face. I think that'll do. And we can say, okay. And now let's compare. Now he's blurred. Let me press this button here. Now you can see his face. On blurring, off blurring, on blurring, off blurring. So it's actually very elegantly, smoothly fitting into the picture. So I'll save it up at the top right hand corner. Saving picture. And now I'll move on to the next one. Here we have a license plate to fix. Again, I'll go on Edit at the bottom, scroll to the right, hit Mosaic, and then I'll zoom in to the license plate and I'll paint over the license plate just like this. Done. Say OK, and we'll compare again. Now it's blurred, now it's visible, blurred, and that's OK. Let's save this also. Now moving on to the next picture. Here we have another license plate. I start editing, going to Mosaic tool, zooming in onto the license plate, paint over the license plate only, say OK, and save it. Move on to the next picture. Here we have 2 people standing on the right hand side. Let's go Edit, Mosaic tool, zoom all the way in here, no more, and paint over the face. Bye-bye. And the other guy. Yeah, a little more there. Good, done. All right. Save this. Move on to the next picture. Okay, we have 2 people on the right-hand side. Select Edit. Go to Mosaic. Zoom in onto the faces of the people. Paint over the face. Paint over the other face. Maybe a bit more over here, like that. Okay. Save. And now to the last picture. There's a lady on the left. Go Edit, Mosaic tool, zoom in, paint over the face. Done. Save. That's it. Thanks for watching. Local guides can follow the link in the description to learn more about the Better Pics for Google Maps project. See you in the next video.